then folks, so I want to take the Tello here, attached with the Wi-Fi repeater there. I want to fly her up, I want to fly her around this field a little bit, and I want to get some nice little footage for some other videos that I'm making. So yeah, so I thought what I would do today is, rather than just make the videos and then you guys go, oh, when did he fly that? I thought I would actually show you me flying. So let's take off. Up we go, little Tello. Thank you, mate. Now, okay, a lot of you are probably going to say, well, JD, why the hell didn't you just use the Spark, mate? Yeah, I could use the Spark, not a problem, but I would much rather use this little guy in a semi-professional manner, just to see whether or not this is something that can be done. So I'm just going to make sure that I stay within Wi-Fi range for the minute. I'm just going to test this little Wi-Fi range out by doing a couple of fly passes quite close to me, because obviously I don't want to lose this guy. That's never my aim when I fly quadcopters, but at the same point it does happen, and mostly accidentally. So I'm going to try a couple of fly pasts. Actually, that is the sort of footage that I'm after. Okay, well, there we are. That worked out quite well, didn't it? And flip around. And basically what I want to do is I want to try and show some nice field footage. Oh, hopefully taking myself out of the equation. But that, coming back, that sweeping shot, that was really nice. And the whole aim of this is just for me to... Oh, I'm getting bitten like hell by flies, yeah? And the whole point of doing this is just to get a little bit of footage, a little bit of nice little bit of footage, and I want to see whether or not I can acquire that with the Tello. Because yeah, okay, I could just take the Spark up and I could get it with the Spark within a couple of minutes. That's not a problem. But that's not what I like to do. I like to challenge myself and challenge my bits of kit that I buy to try and see whether or not I can get a nice little bit of footage, which is what I'm after, and this is what I'm going for. Okay, let's turn it back around, not at me. There we are, that's good. And this is all I'm trying to do, just have a little bit of fun when I'm flying, and to actually, there we go, and to actually get a little bit of nice footage in there as well. Right, okay, let's bring her down a little bit, not too much, but just enough. And also I'm really intrigued as to see if I can see anything as to what's inside this field, if there's any baby deer or anything like that. Really good, really good, really good. Oh, there's a balloon right in the very distance. I doubt you can see it on the camera, but there is most definitely a very small balloon right in the very distance. I wonder if the Tello can pick that up actually. So if I position this and if I go up we go. Oh, I do love, there we go, you can just make it out. If I could try and move this around a little bit so you can just make it out, just straight in front. It looks like a little dot on the horizon. That's a hot air balloon. There we are. Okay, right then. So I think I've got pretty much all the footage that I need at this point, I think. I'm just going to do a couple more passes perhaps, just in case. Obviously if this isn't suitable I'll have to come back up with the Spark, but at the same time I didn't want to just assume that the Tello couldn't do what I needed and just be like, oh no, I'm going to take the Spark out, rah. I was like, nope, I'm going to take the Tello out, see if I can get what I need with the Tello, because if I can, then perfect, because it sure means that I won't be carrying as much luggage if I'm carrying a Tello rather than the DJI Spark. Okay, some of this isn't going to be usable. What I'm really after is that footage that I had of just sweeping across like this. If I can get that footage, just sweeping across, and I've got it going one way, I've got it going another way, so then I can brake in multiple places, and I can get the shot that I need. I can use the footage that I need there. And it's another excuse for taking out the Tello. Perfect. There we are. I really enjoyed that. I think what I'll do is stop recording. I'm still recording with my screen. I'll just fly around a little bit more. For the minute, I've still got a little bit of battery life left. Of course, I'm not in you know, sport mode. As you can see, I'm just casual, very slow, 6 feet a second speed. That's pretty much what I'm doing for the minute. Why? Well, because it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? Not everything has to be about speed. And these beautiful formations in the sky above as well from the planes are really making quite a nice backdrop. There we are. Okay, let's bring you back then, Mr. Tello. Let's bring you back. Come on. There we go. Nicely done. Yeah, I like that. And I love, again, this vision system. It's just absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, let's turn you around and let's land you like I took you off. Lovely. Land. Tap to land. So here we go. Landing. And a little bit of grass cut in, but no, not a terrible amount. There we are. Perfect. Oh, we got a little bit of grass stuck in there. There we are. Okay, so I'm hoping that footage is going to be okay. Maybe once I won't be able to put the whole video up here, but maybe once I've done a little bit of a few more shots, maybe I can show you something of what the finished video is going to be anyway. So there we are, folks. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.